Hi there. I'm Mary Ellen and this is my YouTube channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow. Here you can find over 1,000 DIY crafts, recipes, garden tips, family-friendly fun and travel, and cat shorts of my cats Cotton, Lucifer and Typo. Around here we ditch perfection and embrace the mess, because in life's messes we learn and grow. Most of my videos come with a side of spills, burnt fingers from the glue gun, and an occasional cat walking through the shot. Together we're always celebrating something, whether it's a holiday or just the fact that I got through a craft without glitter in my coffee. From festive DIY decor to seasonal treats, there's always a reason to break out the hot glue gun and have a little fun. And if you've got an Instant Pot or air fryer gathering dust, I'll help you to enjoy using them. I bring all of this to you with a light-hearted learn-as-you-go approach. So if you're into creative chaos, cozy vibes, and learning right alongside me, hit that subscribe button and let's make some messy memories together. Today we are turning trash into spooky treasure. I had this old coffee can just sitting around and instead of tossing it I thought, why not make it into a ghost? Now fair warning, paint might get everywhere, ribbons will tangle, but hey, that's just how I craft. Messy, a little chaotic, but always fun. So grab a coffee can and let's turn it into a ghostly windsock that looks like it's floating and haunting your space. Gather these supplies. 1 recycled coffee can, white chalk paint or acrylic paint, paintbrush or foam brush, black felt or black construction paper, scissors, hot glue gun, white ribbons, variety works best, satin, sheer, lace, etc. Ribbon or jute rope. Prep the can. Wash and dry your recycled coffee can thoroughly. Remove any labels or sticky residue. Paint the base. Apply 1 coat of white chalk paint to the outside of the can. Let it dry completely, then apply a second coat if needed for full coverage. Allow the paint to dry all the way before moving to the next step. Make the ghost face. Cut out 2 circles for eyes and 1 oval or circle for the mouth from black felt. Use hot glue or craft glue to attach them to the front of your painted can in a ghostly face arrangement. Create the flowing ghost effect. Cut your white ribbons into strips about arm's length. Mix and match widths and textures, satin, sheer, lace, etc., to give your ghost a wispy, floating look. Tape the ribbons to the inside bottom rim of the can so they hang down like flowing ghost tails. At the hanger, cut a piece of ribbon or jute rope. Attach it securely to the top of the can so your ghost can be hung from the ceiling, porch, or tree branch. And there you have it. Our flowing ghost windsock is ready to haunt the porch, the living room, or wherever you decide to hang it. I love how the ribbons give it that spooky, floaty vibe, and honestly, it turned out way cuter than I thought it would considering how much paint ended up on my hands instead of the can. But that's the fun of crafting. We learn as we go, make a little mess, and still end up with something we can be proud of. So go hang your ghost, let it dance in the breeze, and enjoy a little spooky charm this season. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.